Hi, my name is Daniel and I work at YouTube. And today we're at the YouTube space in LA to film something a little different than what we usually do. So we already have conversations with you on our community tab and comments in Twitter and our support forums, and even occasionally on Reddit. So we thought, why not bring these conversations to life through video right here on our YouTube Help channel? This is Backstage at YouTube. Welcome everyone. Welcome Veena.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm great. Okay, so do you want to introduce yourself?
Sure. I'm Veena, product manager at YouTube, currently working on Dark Theme. And I'm super excited to share with you about our new feature and the journey that got us here.
Awesome. Okay, we've asked a lot of you over the last week to let us know your biggest questions, feedback, concerns, thoughts around Dark Theme. And we have Veena here today to answer those questions for you. So let's get started.
All right.
So what is Dark Theme?
Cool. Super exciting. Dark Theme is our feature which allows our users to turn down their screen glare and experience YouTube in a dark mode. What's cool about it is that it's great for nighttime watching, especially with that glare, and it's also been great for battery consumption, so it helps save you battery.
Always nice.
Yeah, always nice, right? We're always like on that last percentage of battery.
Yeah.
And finally, another advantage with Dark Theme has been for users who have devices with a notch, which is a cutout at the top. It's been a great experience, so you don't see that black cutout at the top.
And I'm biased, but I've been using it on desktop. I just like the look. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I know that our Android users are actually super passionate, really want this, so I wanted to ask the question that is most burning on their minds.
All right.
Why is it taking so long on Android? Why?
Yeah, I know. We are as eager as you are to bring this to life for our Android users.
Okay.
But let me just back up a second and
Okay.
explain like how we are running our projects.
Okay.
So for every feature that we have at YouTube, we have to implement it separately on iOS, Android, mobile web, and desktop. We have to basically make sure that the feature is working well on every single screen of the YouTube app. Especially for Dark Theme, it touches practically every part of the app.
Yeah.
So we have to be super careful that we're not breaking something else while we're implementing this.
Okay, because
So-
I got some questions on social that were like, why is it taking so long to launch something that should be 2 lines of code?
So it isn't 2 lines of
Okay, it's
code.
not.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Guess how many lines it is?
1,000?
It is over 100,000 lines of code.
Okay, I was wrong.
Yeah,
Okay.
It's much harder than from the surface it
Yeah.
looks like, and it's a lot of hard work from our engineering and product teams
Yeah,
to put that
sounds
together.
like it. Okay, cool. I'll buy that.
Yeah, and as part of this, it's been a journey to understand how our app is architected, and we have simplified the way the app is built, and so this opens the door for new features on our
Okay.
YouTube app.
New features. Can you say any?
No, unfortunately,
Okay.
not today, but stay tuned.
Try to
We will
squeeze one
share
out.
as we go along.
Okay, great. So I'm gonna go to another hard question.
Okay.
How do you turn on Dark Theme?
You got me. It's pretty straightforward.
Okay.
On iOS, you would just go to settings and toggle it on or off. On Android, go to general, settings, general, and then turn it on or off. And on desktop, look for the avatar at the top and the buttons right there.
Awesome. So how did you and the team come up with the feature?
It definitely wasn't just me.
Okay.
It's a lot of people behind this,
Yeah.
a lot of product and engineering
I can
folks.
imagine with 100,000 lines of code, can't just be you.
So how did we come up with it? We've always wanted to have a night mode of some sort because that would help with watching YouTube, especially at night. But the real reason that we did it is because we had over 100,000 requests from our users asking for this feature.
Wow.
We see it from all the different channels, Google feedback, through Twitter, through Reddit, and yeah, that's the primary reason why we're building this feature.
Yeah, that's crazy. I know you mentioned feedback, but also on the support side, we've seen that over 70,000 people have been talking about Dark Theme on social media. So it's definitely a topic that's top of people's minds right now.
Yeah.
Last question.
Okay.
I hope it's not hard.
Okay, let's bring
When
it
is it
on.
launching?
So I have great news here. We have our dark theme available right now on Android. It's already available on desktop and iOS. So yeah, definitely please check it out. Let us know what you think.
Thank all of you. Thank you, Veena, for being here. And most of all, thanks for continuing to give us your feedback to make our products better here at Google.
Great. Thank you for having me, and definitely check out the feature. And we're listening to your feedback, so let us know what you think.